Hello everyone, we are here today in Seoul, South Korea to raise our voices for Palestine. For nearly 2 years now, we have been holding a continuous protest, demanding firmly to lift the siege on Gaza, to end the Zionist occupation, and for the total liberation of Palestine, from the river to the sea. We are here not merely as supporters or in vocal solidarity, but we are part of a global movement and joint struggle against capitalism, imperialism, oppression, racism, and violence. We are here because our humanity does not allow us to stay silent. We are here because resistance is the only path forward. We are here because the children of Gaza deserve to live. The liberation of Palestine is inevitable. The steadfastness of the Palestinian people have shown the world what it means to be free. And with the guidance of Gaza as our compass, we will struggle until collective liberation. Free Palestine!
Palestine will be free!
One, we are the people!
One, we are the people!
Two, we won't be silent!
Two, we won't be silent!
Three, stop the bombing now, now, now!
You're committing genocide! You're committing genocide!
Stop, stop genocide!
팔레스타인의 자유를! 팔레스타인의 자유를!
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.